What's up, traders? If you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure y'all get in here. The links will be in the description below. We're going to be doing chart reviews. We call my plays every single day on the dot when I get in a trade and when I get out. If you guys had a roller coaster today, just know if you was in the Discord, you would have been rocking. We got in, I believe it was SQ, and SQ went up $30 today. Great play. People made lots of money. We were all chilling today, just riding it like a roller coaster. We rode calls, we rode puts, we rode everything. So if you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure to join. Click the link in the description and join up. If you guys still need help, I did create a book. The link will be in the description. What's going on, traders? We're gonna go over our first play today. Our first play today was SQ. I called the 300 calls. I did wait around to get them. Let me clear out the chart. I did wait around to get them. They're trading around $10. It ended up going to $100. So that's like 1,000% return. So these, if you were looking at SQ before today, you would see this small little PMG right here. And it opened up inside there, which I had like. And then let me see. I don't know if I was looking at this through a 15-minute or 3-minute. I recently fell in love with the 3-minute, so I've been using it more because it tells you more details before higher time frames. So yeah, this is right here. So as you can see, if you were looking at this and you marked your pivots, this would have broken inside day, meaning it would have been 2, 1, 2. So the day before this was an inside day, and it broke this and up, or it was a 2 down, and this was an inside day of that 2 down, and it broke it right here. So this would have been your first entry. Once it passed your second pivot point, this would have been your second entry for SQ. And when you have, if it's sitting at 254, you would probably get a 265 call or 270 call, depending on your account size. I did 300 because it was small and I didn't want to risk it because I knew SPY was going to chop up today or do something ridiculous like it did. It sold off like intraday, like 12-1. I did see it, but I didn't catch it. If I caught it, I would have probably got into money puts because they're cheaper. But let's see. People ask, how do I find these plays? I have the scans in the link, so guys, make sure to check the link. And if you guys want these type of plays, join the Discord. I call them out every time. I would say it would look good if I say my entry. You guys are supposed to know like your risk. If you start losing money from it, you can cut it or don't play it at all. But if I'm in it and I make my money and I make the amount of money I want, I'm going to cut it for my type of profit. So everybody is different in how they risk it. So as you can see, I got filled around 30 cents and I rode it up to 100. But then again, as you can see, it kept following this SMA up. When the SMA is pointing up, you can actually stay in this position because it's going up. Even though it's chopping up right here, the SMA is going up and the price is actually going up. So you see, if you got in right here and you're like, oh, it's choppy, it went from 268 all the way up to 275. Now, if you think that's choppy, let me know, because those are to make your contracts print. If you got in here, like if you got in the 270 call here and you rode it up to 275, it would have printed. So this is one way you can use the SMA if it's curling up. Like if I go to SPY, after this I'm going to go to SPY. But this was one of the plays I caught. If you guys want the scan, it's in the Discord, also in the comments. Description. Sorry about that. But let's go to SPY. So if you were looking at SPY, let's see. 15-minute. Where's SPY? Monday. Here. Let's go to a 30-minute. Alright, right here. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. SPY had a sell off, but it's one of these plays. Okay, so right here. No, actually right here. You can follow the SMA while you're in the trade. So it breaks out. So this all right here is inside of everything. So you can do this while you're watching SPY. And if it wants to break to the upside, it'll break this. If it wants to break to the downside, it'll break this. So this is the range it's trading in. So once it break it, you know, to do your plays, you can go and SPY put. You can look for a stock that's drilling. Today we did take Netflix. Let's look at Netflix. I'm gonna try to make this quick. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So we took Netflix. I called the 490 puts, just cheaper. I didn't want to risk a lot, you know. Quick in and out. So boom, it crossed over the SMA strong here, as you can see. It did TTO, but if you would have seen here, so when you're looking at these lower time frames, what you got to do is, if anything makes a higher high of the previous bar, you want to get out. Because look at this. Lower low, 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 lower low. But starts to come to make a previous high of here, you're out. Or you can get out here. What I did was I got out on my second target when it hit here. But it went downer. But you should know that if it makes a new higher high, to get out. Perfect example. We also played AMD 110 calls. I got filled around 1.0. They went up to 190. So boom. SPY sold off in the morning. AMD went down with it. But AMD did not go down a lot. So boom, we go down to, oh, it did go down a lot. I didn't even see that. See, I'm not a perfect trader as you guys think. So as you can see here, look at this strong crossover on the SMA. Boom, this would have been your entry. Or you can do here. Look for things making a higher high. So boom, higher high of this. Made a higher high of this, your entry. Boom. Higher high. Higher high. It's chopping right now. Higher high of this, your entry. Boom. And then you can probably go to a higher time frame to stay in the stock. Is this Monday? Yes. So we can expect a bounce when it bounces off the SMA like this. Like every time it bounces, look, it bounces here, goes higher. Bounces here, goes higher. So as we come here, bounces, goes higher. Unless it's a strong breakthrough of the SMA like this, you don't want to be in a trade. But if it bounces, look at this. Just a 2-2-2-2 continuation. Great play. If you guys played AMD, we called it. You guys made profit. Let's see. Tesla. I got an 800 call, but I got in too late. I was trying to play too many stocks. But let's go to the daily right here. It's a $700 call, which is the break of the weekly. So everything was probably consolidating. Yeah, consolidation right here. This is the range is trading in. Boom, break out of that. Now let's go to a 3-minute. I don't see the 3-minute, but let me see. 3-minute. Alright, so 3-minute. You're in here. Look at this. It's closer to the SMA, but if you know it's making new higher highs, like higher high right here. If you got in long here, if you get in long at open, I just want you to take a small size so you can manage your risk. But boom, high high on the 3-minute, higher high, higher high. It didn't make a lower low of this one, so you're still good to stay in there. But boom, higher high, and then you can just ride this. Also, you can just ride. You can ride it back down. Like if you've seen it going in a downtrend, same thing. Like you can just do this. If you want to see it going in a downtrend, you can just do this. Right here. It's going straight down. The SMA, you want to pick stocks where the SMA is pointing the direction the stocks wants to go. Let's go to perfect example. I called GME. We called the puts and we called the calls. So GME was a perfect play. So boom, here. We got in short around here. Lower low, lower low, lower low. Consolidation. Trading in this price range right here. Trading in this price range. Breaks out right here. Get calls. Or you can ride it when the SMA is pointing the direction and it's still going. Even though you see this, it bounces off. Like I said, pick a stock where the SMA is choosing the direction. It's going down. SMA is choosing down. It's going up. SMA is choosing up. So it's that simple. Sometimes you may get chopped. That's why you get out early and take a minimum loss. Let's see. Another one. We got GME, AMC. AMC and GME follow the same thing. But AMC peaked today. These were my price targets right here. We can go to the daily. Boom, boom. That's how I make my price targets, guys. That easy. So we make our price targets. Look at this. Shooter, take it down. We got the 34 puts today. Look. The SMA will show you where the stock is choosing. So Monday. Where's Monday? Right here. So Monday. Boom. SMA is pointing down. Consolidated here, but it's pointing down. You go here to here. See, here to here. It's going down. It's choosing where it's want to go. So that's how you stay in it longer. You can use the SMA as a bounce or as an exit. So you can have came down here, took it down, and consolidates, break out here, you took it out. That's simple. Let's go. I'm trying to go through this fast. I don't want to make the video long. PayPal. I said it looked good at the end because look at this. It chose where it want to go for about 3 days now. It's just doing a downtrend. You can do this. Boom, boom. Now it can break out, but it's in a downtrend. And unless you see the SMA curling up, like it wants to reverse, that's when you get in a reversal. But if it doesn't do that, no. You keep it in the downtrend and use the SMA as a stop or an entry. So we printed today. Today was Money Monday. We all made money. If you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure to join it up. If you guys need help, make sure to ask. If you guys want to know how I trade more in detail, get the book. Everything is in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I hope you guys have a happy Monday or the rest of the week. Sorry about that. But in that case, I'm out. If you guys still need help, I did create a book. The link will be in the description.
Space time.